Barry from Van King. Today we're going to be fitting out Aries van. It's come all the way from Ireland. Left it with us a few days, so we're putting in a short wheelbase Kombi system today. Okay, so if you look closely here, we have a spline bit. It's a 10mm spline bit. That is what you require to take out these bolts. I've already loosened them off, so they simply go in there and then we unscrew them. Okay, so with this system today we're not going to be fitting these on because we don't need the tie down points, because we're going to be fitting a steel sliding tray later on. So I'll go and get the frame now and we'll pop that in. Okay, so as you can see here we have the frame now. This frame differs because it's having a steel slider. Okay, so the steel sliding section comes out. So this is going to be ideal for Eddie because he's a heavy plant driver, so he uses it for dual purpose, family life, and he uses it to commute to his work, stopping in the van when he's off site, things like that. So here we go then. This frame obviously sits in here like that. Okay, so this one's a little bit more complex because it has the steel slider on it. So that bolt just goes straight through like that. Okay. So straight into the original fixing points. Okay, and then that one just pops straight in the original fixing points there as well. Okay, so we've got that down. And that goes straight in there like that. So just a tighten up there just to get it in position, and then just tweak that one up and that's fine. And as you can see now, this, you test that from going in and out, because this, as you can see, the angle iron is what the tray will sit on. Okay, so we're putting this in now. As you can see, it can be even with the heavier rail ready to take the slider, very easy to lift in. Okay, that pulls out again. And we can then just drop that straight in. Same process, tighten them up. And then that's the same process again. Doing that over there, as we did earlier. Okay, right, so that's the structure in. You can see the angle iron attached to the draw rails, so they're all in position. So the standard frame is 11 kilograms a side, so dead light to lift in. When you put the runners on, that adds about 9 kilos to the whole structure. So what we're going to do now is we're going to then bring out the tray and drop it onto the runners, and they're just fixed by 8 bolts. It's as simple as that. Tighten up that, tighten up that, get all the structure nice and tight. You can put the last tray in with that and the final thing. Okay, so I'll step out now. Okay, so we'll just do a check. We've tightened it all up. It should slide in very nicely without any tight spots, which it does. It's locking in, and then it locks fully out as well. Okay, so a nice way of finishing them off. Custom carpets that we do, which is an optional extra, as you can see, finishes them off nicely. And that slides back in there. Locks in nicely. We're just putting on the last crossbar here. Pop down there. And once again, as I've always said, keeps everything nice and secure. And that just slides out nicely just the same. As I say.